Alright, so I'm back at the logic board I attempted to repair last time. As you see, I've the SIMMs or RAMs already removed because another YouTuber, Dave from Dr. Dave's Diversions, you can find the link to his channel now in the video, suggested to also treat the sockets themselves with some contact spray, and I shouldn't be afraid of that, so that's what I will try. Alright, it seems to be relatively dry now, so I will put the RAMs back in. And then we're going to double check if it really was that simple. Alright, trying again. And still nothing. Now there was a second thing suggested to me through Facebook, and that was checking the voltage of the CPU. Now while it's turned on, I'll probably do that. So here we have the pins of the CPU. Here we have our multimeter, which I will put carefully here. I hope you can see it. Now what we are going to do is we're first going to ground the multimeter on the case itself. Alright, and what I could find on the internet, it's supposed to be in this row, and it's supposed to be pin number 17 and 18. Which I should measure. So these two here, let's try. Okay, 5 volts and also 5 volts. So there should be, the voltage on the CPU should be fine. Now another thing that was suggested to me by Dave from Dr. Dave's Diversions was to try it only with 1 rows of RAM in place, which is what I'm going to do. So I will remove the SIMMs in row 2, and then, as explained in the video, I will have to remove the resistor here and move it to 1 row. So let's turn it around. I will hold the pin. Desolder something else by mistake. Here we have this little devil. It was a bit tricky because obviously they used some solder which needs a lot more heat. So I actually needed to turn up the soldering iron to 400 degrees, which I usually would not recommend. And now I'm going to put the pins here into 1 row, and I'm going to solder it again. All right, next try. Still nothing. Now I've removed the resistor again. And one very last thing I will try is installing 1 megabyte RAMs, 4 of them. So we will theoretically upgrade this board to its maximum. Let's give it one more shot. Last try. Nope. Nothing. With a complete different pattern now. All right, It seems this little board doesn't want to work. But thank you very much for your suggestions, Dave. Although you're 1,000 miles away, you're still engaged in discussion and try to help me fix my problem. That's why I really love Macintosh, because people from all around the world who love Macintosh and these old machines are helping out each other. So big thumbs up. Stay tuned for some more Macintosh videos and please subscribe. Take care.